The question number 2. A right a right triangle whose sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. It is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. Find the volume and the surface area of the double cones of form. Is it? Suppose this is your right angle triangle. This is not proper. Okay, we'll take this as a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, a right angle triangle whose sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So hypotenuse is what? 5 centimeter. Is it? Is made to revolve. This is very important word. Is made to revolve about the hypotenuse. About the hypotenuse means what? Suppose is about the base, then it will rotate like this. From that side, base will be fixed and it will be rotate like this. About the base. Okay, it is about the base. If it is this about the base, it will be rotate like this. And if it is about the perpendicular, it will be rotate like this. Means that will kept here and it will be rotate like this. Is it? Okay. Now about the hypotenuse means hypotenuse will be hold and then it will be rotate like this. Okay, so B will be coinciding with B dash, that's with a hypotenuse. That is very much important. The question can be changed here about base. If it is again, I am telling you about the base means this is a base. You have to revolve around this, means you have to move from there. This is fixed standing position and then down. This is revolving. Okay, about the hypotenuse, you have to hold the hypotenuse in the straight line. Straight is put it straight and put it down. So that is will be about what? About the about the altitude. Is it? Now about the hypotenuse, the question is asked. So to hold it and from there you have to lift it and rotate it. So this is called the rotation about the hypotenuse. So what has happened? Suppose it is like this. It is like this. If it is rotate, so B dash will come here. B will come to the B dash. Will be rotate around the hypotenuse. Around the hypotenuse means it will be rotate like this. It will come over coinciding. That is called about the hypotenuse. So that is very much important things. Is it? And if you are rotating about that, what is moving? The B is moving. See, A and B are in same position. The B is moving to B dash. So we have to join B and B dash to show that it is revolving around about the hypotenuse. Is it clear? So now it is A, B. So B is rotated and it brings here coinciding with the B dash. Is it? So we wrote B dash. Okay. So if we join B and B dash, we get two cone. What is that two cone? It is A, B, B dash. It is A, B, B dash and B, D, B dash. These are the two triangles. Okay. We know this sides 3 centimeter. So this is also 3 centimeter. This is BD is 4 centimeter given. So this is 4 centimeter. And what will be this? Can you say? This is 4 centimeter. This is a 3 centimeter. It is a right angle triangle. So OD will be 5 centimeter. Oh sorry, AD will be 5 centimeter. It is O. It is D. So AD will be 5 centimeter. Okay. Now what they ask us to find? The surface area of this double cone. Which are the cone? A, B, B dash, B, D, B dash. They ask us to find the surface area and volume of a cone. Okay. What is the formula? If we say of this cone particularly A, B, B dash, we have to find the volume of this. Volume is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Is it? It will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Is it? For h, we need h, means h is that OA. Okay. Understand? And radius is OB. Is it? This we need it. So what we need it, if we want R, then we need OB And if we need H, then we need OA. So what we'll write here, or here we'll write, it is OA, first thing we want to find. Then OB we have to find, is it, for this triangle, this cone, sorry, not triangle, it is a cone. For this particular cone, what we need, it is already given. This is OB, we already know. We need to know what is R and H in this case also. So R is same, OB. H is what? OD. So we must know what is a OD. So three things we must find. OD. Sorry, it is OD. So if you know what is a length, what is a height of this cone, OA, radius of both the cone OB, and height, again the height of the second cone OD, then we can find the volume as well as the surface area RL, pi RL. Is it? Pi RL. L in this case will be what? This will be the slant height. So L is already given. In this case, slant height, L is already given. Only R is needed for the second. And in first cone, we need OA and OB. Okay. So how will find it now? These two, if you say triangle, this is 90 degree. You will agree? This is 90 degree. This also it is 90 degree. This is also this. I will do it like this. This is also a 90 degree. Fine. Now what is the relation between this? A B O and A B D. What do you find? What is the same in this? Yes, they are similar triangle. A B O and A B D. Is it? They are similar triangle. So we have to prove these triangles are similar. First, if you say this triangle A O B, it is 90 degree. Second, A B D, it is also 90 degree. So each of them is 90 degree. Got it? Okay, understand? And in this triangle, angle A is common. See, BAO or OAB or BAO and BAD, it is a angle A is common. So one is 90 degree, angle A is 90 degree, both angle is 90 degree, B and O, and angle A is common. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Okay, these two triangles are similar. So you see here, now we have to find the sides. First, opposite to 90 degree is AB, opposite to this 90 degree is OD. So if these triangles are similar, then the sides are proportion. Which side will take proportion? What is hypotenuse here? AB. So AB upon, what is hypotenuse here? Opposite is this 90 degree, it is AD. So it is AB. Okay, it is AB upon AD, first side. Second side, angle A is common. What is opposite to A in this triangle? OB. Okay, what is opposite to A in this triangle? It is BD. So it will come, second proportion side will come OB upon BD. Okay, again, first you take the hypotenuse, ratio of the hypotenuse of true triangle. What is hypotenuse in the small triangle here? AB. So it is AB. What is hypotenuse? What is hypotenuse in this big triangle? It is AD. So it is AB upon AD, first ratio. Second, what is angle A? What is opposite to angle A? What is opposite side opposite to angle A? It is OB. So second ratio will come OB upon. What is opposite to the big? It is BD. So it is OB upon BD, second ratio. Third, now it is very easy. Which triangle left? Which sides left? This is over, this is over, this left. It is so left side. Whatever the side left, third side. So that will be the ratio. So OA. What is the sides here? Is it? What is the side left in big triangle? This already taken. Okay. Opposite to this also taken. So which side left? Is it this taken? This is also taken. This is also taken. Okay, opposite to A. So it is AB left. So what we get, it is OA. In small triangle OA left, and in big triangle AB left, it is OA upon AB. Is it? So ratio is also very much important. Which ratio you have to take after proving the triangle similar. Triangle AOB, which is there here, AOB, and it is ABD. Is it? Angle 90 degree, angle is common, so standard triangles are similar. First we'll take opposite hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is in small triangle is AB, so it is right AB, and opposite to this is AD, so it is AB upon AD. Second, say angle opposite to A. Angle opposite to A in small triangle is OB, so OB, and in big triangle opposite to A is BD, so it is OB upon BD. Third, which is left, OA, and which is left in big triangle AB, so it is OA upon AB. If you substitute the value which is given and find out the value of OB and OA which is required, then OB will be equal to 3 by 5 and OA will be also equal to 3 by 5. So OB upon 4 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, is it? So OB is equal to 12 by 5. And here OA will be equal to again equal to 3 by 5. So OA is equal to 9 by 5. Is it? OA is equal to 9 by 5. Is it? Okay. Now third thing. So what we wrote here in the side, see here, we wrote side AB, OA. We already find OA, and OB if we found, we have to find OD. OD. Is it? OD is what? AD minus OA we found. So AD is OA plus AD is 5. We already found AD here by Pythagoras theorem, no? AD is equal to Pythagoras theorem, we found it is 5. AD is 5. Is it? So AD is 5. But what is AD? AD is equal to OA plus OD. So AD is equal to OA plus OD, 5, 9 by 5, OD. So OD will get as 16 by 5. Is it? So now volume of double cone. Volume of double cone is what? Volume of cone AB B dash plus volume of BD B dash. Is it? So it is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi OB square into OA plus 1 by 3 pi OB square into OD. Is it? So substitute the value from here. What we found? OB is 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 square, and OA is 9 by 5. 1 by 3. OB is 12 by 5 whole square, and OD is 16 by 5. So what we can take common? 1 by 3 pi 12 by 5 whole square. This can be taken common. Is it? This one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 term can be taken common. So if we take common, what will be left inside? 9 by 5 plus 16 by 5. 9 by 5 plus 16 by 5, it is 25 by 5. 25 by 5. If you simplify this, you will get 4 by 5 into 12. That is, here substitute the value of pi 314 upon 100. If you simplify this, okay, you will get your answer as 30.14 centimeter cube. Similarly, the surface area, which is pi RL. So what is this pi? So that R is OB, L is AB in this small case, and pi OB into in the L is BD. Okay. So if you substitute the value of OB we know that is 5 by 12 by 5, AB is 3 plus pi, OB is again 12 by 5, BD is 4. So again here two quantity will be common, pi 12 by 5, pi 12 by 5. If you take it common, 3 plus 4, it is 7. So pi into 12 by 5 into 7. Substitute the value of pi, so 22 by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out. If you have to multiply 22 into 12 divided by 5, it will become 52.8 centimeter square.